If the remote pilot in command determines the operation cannot be conducted within the regulatory structure of Part 107, he or she is responsible for applying for a waiver. What can be waived? Operation from a moving vehicle or aircraft. Daylight operations. Visual line of sight. Operation of multiple small unmanned aircraft systems. Yielding the right-of-way. Operation over people. Operation in certain airspace, and operation limitations for small unmanned aircraft. Okay, now let's test your knowledge. Question 1. The FAA may approve your application for a waiver if provisions in Part 107 only. When it has been determined that a proposed operation is A. Involves a public aircraft. B. Can be safely conducted under the terms of that certificate of waiver. C. Will be conducted in the United States. Okay, time's up. The answer is B. Next question. When requesting a waiver, the required documents should be presented to the FAA at least how many days prior to the planned operation? A. 30 days. B. 10 days. C. 90 days. Okay, time's up. The answer is C. I hope you got all of that. If not, keep studying. This has been a short lesson from Double Axis. Congrats! You have finished this section of your FAA Part 107 training. Get ready for our next section on national airspace.